Welcome to the Alternative Car Show, and here we are at Stoneleigh, the National Kit Car Show 2018, and here are some of the cars that were around yesterday in the club areas. Very impressive turnout as always from the Westfields. Westfield 11. I know this car.
Bar. They fit.
I'm from Germany. I put in a crossroads. A crossroads. Okay. Okay. They build it now for me with customers.
Yeah. Cheap to build.
She's quite happy here. She's 17 or 18 there.
Yeah, exactly.
Inspired by the Morgan three-wheeler, before Morgan returned to making them, the Tri-King was designed by a Morgan enthusiast, Tony Divey, and used the Motor Guzzi V-twin engine. It's become a classic kit in its own right.
I like the actual down.
Another Morgan-inspired three-wheeler is the JZR, and the JZR Pilots Association always do a good turnout at a show. Spartan are best known for their 1930s style roadster, but they also made a variety of other vehicles, including the Sherwood Estate based on the Ford Cortina, and the camper van that was based on that, and this, the Trekker. It's a Ford Fiesta based mokish vehicle, and it's quite a departure from the usual mini base cars at the time. You can pick them up quite cheaply. I saw one recently eBay for £1,000, and again, this one was part of the complete kit car £500 challenge, which was to get a kit car, restore it and get it on the road for about 500. So again, a bit of a bargain, nice easy way into kit cars. The Ginetta G26 predates the Quantum Saloon by about a decade. They sold a similar number as well. Based on a Ford Cortina and reusing Fiesta doors. That little lever on the centre console operates the headlamps. They pop up using a rod system when you pull that lever. Another Morgan-inspired car was the Mus-Movin and Roadster, designed by John Copperthwaite. Initially they were based on Triumph Herald and Spitfire ladder chassis, but later on he developed a Ford Escort-based ladder chassis of his own. These are quite sought after. Although they were inspired by Morgan, they've got their own distinctive style. you're looking for a practical entry into the kit car world, you can't go far wrong with a second-hand Midas. The GRP monocoque is immensely strong. It was crash tested and proven. The running gear on the Mark 1 and the Mark 2, like the one behind me, that's mini, so it's straightforward, second-hand parts are easy. The later models were based on the Metro and then the Rover 100. Again, relatively straightforward running gear, but the best thing about them is, whilst you're doing the restoration, you can drive the car every day, all year round, and it's got a bit of room in the boot, so you really can live with this car every day, do the commute to work, and do it with a smile on your face. This is a beautiful GTM Libra.
Down to a short list of 3. I think he's the best. I think Andy is the best engineer.
Well, that's it from a hot and sunny Stoneleigh. It's been a fantastic May Bank holiday weekend. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click on like and subscribe. Come down next year, it's a fantastic event. It's well worth a weekend away. There's always a big variety of cars, so if you're into cars at all, it's definitely worth a trip. Now, please click on like and subscribe. It really helps us make the videos, and even better, go to www.patreon.com/nwin. That's how we fund the videos. We'd love to make more for you, and we'll be doing some prize draws as a thank you for those that support us. At the moment we've got a book up, we're going to be giving away a pair of seats, and if we get around the 2,000 mark with 2,000 supporters,